What happens if you take creatine for 7 days? It may seem simple, but the results are incredible. In just 1 week, you can feel a significant increase in strength and performance, as well as an improvement in mental clarity. Not to mention that muscle volume everyone wants. But is it all really that perfect? Let's find out. Boost your strength and performance. Creatine is like that secret in the world of sports that top athletes and bodybuilders already know well. In just 7 days, this tiny molecule can transform your workout. Imagine walking into the gym on Monday, giving your best in every rep, and the next week, feeling like your muscles have more strength and an impressive pump. Creatine is known to help build muscles, providing quick energy for your muscles during a workout. And we're not just talking about lifting more weight. It's about enhancing your athletic performance in general, whether on the running track or the basketball court. Have you ever seen those guys at the gym who seem to be on another level? You can bet many of them use creatine to maximize their gains. A dose of 20 to 25 grams per day is recommended for the initial loading phase during the first 7 days. This is the amount needed to give that boost to your system and help you grow muscle. One of the major advantages is that this saturation helps you go beyond, pushing your limits and bringing you closer to that dream physique. But hold on, it's a journey, and this is just the beginning. And hey, don't think it's just for the big, strong guys. Anyone focused on improving their performance, whether for sports, losing weight, or simply having more energy for everyday life, can benefit. Creatine helps build a solid foundation for stronger, fuller muscles. And you know what's cooler? This is just the start. Increasing strength and performance is just one of the many benefits that come with creatine. Stick around, because the next part is about how this wonder can also turbocharge your brain. Creating energy for the brain. Creatine isn't just a game changer for the body, but also for the mind. Did you know that besides giving that pump to your muscles, it can also help improve your cognitive functions? Yep, it sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's real. While most people think of creatine just as a supplement for those who want to build muscles, it's also crucial for the brain. Our brains need energy, especially when we're under pressure, whether at work, school, or even in sports. Imagine being in a competition or that intense workout where mental clarity makes all the difference. Having a sharp mind can be the key to making quick and effective decisions, whether in the gym or daily life. That's where creatine comes in, improving the availability of energy for the brain. Remember those moments when you feel you need a mental boost? Creatine can be that little help you need to stay more alert and focused. You might be wondering how this works in practice. Well, try incorporating creatine into your daily routine. While you're training your muscles at the gym, your mind also gets an upgrade. This supplementation helps keep the energy up so you can concentrate more easily, whether it's executing a perfect movement or solving a complex problem. And speaking of energy, it's not just about muscles. Let's find out how creatine also works in retaining water in muscle cells, contributing to that volume everyone wants. Cellular hydration. Now let's talk about something everyone seeks when they hit the gym, that impressive muscle volume. Creatine plays a key role in this too. When you take creatine, it pulls water into the muscle cells, resulting in cellular hydration that gives the muscles a fuller, more voluminous appearance. Have you noticed how some athletes always seem to have that pumped look? Well, creatine is one of the secrets behind that. This water retention isn't just for show. It also contributes to an anabolic environment within the cells. With more water, the muscles are in an optimal state for growth, facilitating nutrient transport and protein synthesis. It's like you're preparing the perfect ground for your muscles to grow and recover faster after every workout. And don't worry, this isn't the same as unwanted water retention. It's about keeping your muscles in the best possible state to build muscles effectively. So the next time you're doing that bicep workout, remember, creatine isn't just boosting your strength, but also working behind the scenes to ensure your muscles stay hydrated and ready to grow. And speaking of growth, there's a quick way to saturate your muscles with creatine and accelerate this process. Let's discover how the loading phase can make a difference in just 7 days. Creatine loading phase. Now, let's talk about the famous creatine loading phase. If you want fast results in the gym, this is your secret weapon. During the first 7 days, the idea is to consume 20 to 25 grams of creatine per day. It may seem like a lot, but this extra dose is like a shot of energy for your muscles. It's during this period that you prepare your body to make that leap in strength and performance. In just 1 week, you can already feel the difference. It's like your muscles are ready for a next-level workout. The loading phase works like a quick charge for muscle cells. It's like fueling a sports car with the best possible gas. By saturating the muscles with creatine, you ensure they have all the energy needed to handle more intense workouts. This practice is especially useful if you have a sporting event or competition in sight. But remember, after this loading phase, it's important to maintain a smaller dose to continue reaping the benefits without going overboard. The hair loss controversy. The old story that creatine can cause hair loss. This has sparked a lot of talk. Many people got scared of using creatine because of this rumor, but let's clear things up. The controversy arose from a study suggesting that creatine could increase DHT levels, a hormone linked to hair loss. But hold on, no need to panic and throw away your supplements. The reality is that there's no solid evidence that creatine causes hair loss in people who aren't genetically predisposed to it. Let's put things into perspective. DHT is indeed a factor for those genetically prone to baldness. However, most research shows that creatine is safe for most people. So if you don't have a family history of hair loss, there's no reason to worry. It's like worrying about a problem that may never happen. For many, the benefits far outweigh the potential risks. Remember, your goal is to grow muscle and improve your sports performance. So, if you're on the team that seeks that muscular pump and wants to make the most of your workout, creatine can still be your ally. Speaking of allies, what really matters is how this supplement can help build a solid foundation for the future. Creatine isn't just about quick gains, it has long-term benefits that are worth exploring. Let's delve into that next. Long-term benefits. Creatine isn't just a quick fix for those who want immediate results in the gym. It also offers significant long-term benefits. When used consistently, creatine helps improve protein synthesis in muscles, which is essential for sustainable muscle growth. Think of it as an investment in the future of your muscles. By providing the necessary support for muscle recovery after workouts, creatine helps keep your muscles in a constant state of growth and repair. Now, picture this. Months later, you notice how your body has changed. It's not just about the visible gains, but also how you feel stronger and more resilient. Creatine, when used correctly and regularly, contributes to maintaining this progress. It works behind the scenes, ensuring that each workout contributes to real and lasting growth. Even on days when you're not lifting heavy weights, creatine is working to help you build muscles efficiently. So if you thought the benefits of creatine ended after the loading phase or after the first visible gains, it's time to reconsider. In the long run, it continues to be a powerful tool for anyone looking to maintain and improve their performance in sports and at the gym. And with this solid foundation, you're ready to take your fitness to even greater levels. After all, what's better than continuing to grow and learn how to optimize every aspect of your training? So, have you thought about trying creatine and seeing how your body can change in just 7 days? Now you have powerful knowledge that can transform your workout routine. But what about you? Are you ready to take that step and see how far you can go?